Diba kung anong napiang na si Glenn. Gipod siya sa kuan, mga tao kay naaan siyang snatcher.
Hey guys, and welcome to
Best Friends TV!
Alright, welcome back to another
Effort
gameplay.
ba ninyo?
Pero wait, before tayo mag-start kay ato sa i-ask, asa naman po ni sila? Asa na po mo nalagpot, guys? Alam mo lagi si Jose Rizal. O sa mani?
Ikan ko sa akuan, Philippine History Cosplay.
No man, ano mo
Yan ako ba yun?
Ang pili mo.
Nakapunta ka na ba sa lugar na walang gitara?
Hey, we're back with another video. Okay, I think nilike was mo sa mga previous videos. Meaning, ganahan mo, honest. So yeah, what we're gonna play now is another game from Jackbox TV. We have Quiplash. Muna siya ang game nga pa-wittyhay. Kung kinsay mas witty sa among tanan. So, maka-receive mi og mga prompts sa among phones and then mag-answer lang mi sa pinaka-witty nga among ma-answer as much as possible. So, we're uploading every Mondays now sa kaninga type of videos and every Friday in BESTFRIENDS Live. So, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell para first na makakita sa among videos. And so, yeah, let's start!
Hello there, welcome aboard. My name is Schmitty, and I'll be your host today. We know you have many choices when it comes to games, and we're happy you chose Quiplash. Oh, this is going to be fun. And if it's not, it's your fault. Let's do it. This is round one. You'll see 2 prompts on your device. Answer them any way you want. Each answer will go up against someone else's answer, and everyone will vote on which
Tawan ako daan.
score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners bonuses at stake. Oh.
Oh no!
The only reason I never play a banjo. Okay, pick your favorite.
Banjo Paraz.
Ow, banjo Paraz.
Banjo Paraz.
Grabe ka fast, grabe ka
Hindi ko gets kasi si Paraz.
Oh, boo! Char. Nice.
Paraz. I live under a rock.
A great way to kill time at work. Vote on your device.
Sad.
Sorry, mga TikTokers. TikTokers, mga lotoers.
Wholesome.
Completely untrue rumor about Alvin from Alvin and the Chipmunks. Time to vote.
Next.
A redacted crayon color. It's
Ninyo. Very nice catch, though.
Sorry, Glenn.
a better name for the human bladder. Vote on your devices.
Liberate.
Liberate. Liberate capsule.
The pyramids would be even more impressive if they contained blank. Time.
Good.
Wala ni answer.
Nice.
Ay, wala mo answer.
Kinsa wala? Yeah.
Round one is in the books. Let's see the scores.
Hey.
Damn.
Hey.
Now round two, where all points and bonuses are doubled. The drama.
The drama.
Okay, it's time for some quiplashing.
All right.
First one, a better name for the ukulele. Okay, voting.
Oh.
Pugilin mo.
George. Wow, Dayers, di pa daw siya sure sa answer. Wow, you're such a liar.
Come up with a slogan for the Russian Tourism Board. It's
love
voting
you.
time.
Hindi na mo, let's go. Hindi na mo. Oras na.
Oh.
In a shocking poll, it was discovered that 3 out of 4 Americans blank. Voting may divide-
Parehas yung answer. Ano yung answer?
Connect siya kay morang very accurate.
Yay.
Unlike Maverick or Iceman, a really bad
Maverick.
Air Force pilot name would be blank.
Kubaw earphone. Bunak! Bordagol. Bordagol.
Bordagol.
Mahalin ang bordagol.
What to do when your parachute fails? Time to vote.
Oh, crazy. One baby. Wow!
Nakita ko yan sa TikTok.
That's right.
A rejected tagline for the Star Trek instead of space on the frontier was space blank. Vote on blank.
Buwag na tayo, let's go. Grabe po. Naku. Number 1 ko ba yun? Sige.
Oh, grabe.
Grabe, Angelo. Proud to be your dad.
This is round 3, the last lash. One final chance to catch up. Point values are tripled, and everyone gets the same prompt this time.
Yeah, all right.
Your last prompt is: the worst upstairs neighbors would be people that blank. And here's what you did.
Oh no, RJ.
What's
No
that?
answer.
Well, just spread out any way you
Damn
like.
it.
Or one answer.
People would be people that, like me, love to together, pray to Bawad, have freaking bed every night.
Wink.
Guys,
Okay, since wala may answer si RJ, unsa man imo answer unta?
Ambot. Sige ko. Go from one to another. Backspace na po. Ambot. Yeah.
Alright. Pila ko daog si Dyers ani. Or
Thanks,
what if
guys.
what if what if si Glenn ang mo overpowered Dyers? So
Di ko musugot de.
I did
This is my fight song.
Well, all right, ato ang winner for today's game, guys. Si Dyers. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And para makibaw mi ganahan mo ani nga type of content, and we'll do some more in the future. And we're gonna be uploading twice a week na. That is Monday and Friday. Ang Friday is ang Inamiguhay live, and Mondays are videos like this. So don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our socials, link in the description below. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hala, meron na pa akong manaday. Bye.